If I took your phone right now and asked you what you mostly use the camera for, chances are it's a selfie, random videos, or scrolling past other people's content like your life depends on it. Meanwhile, somewhere else, someone is using that same camera to pay rent, settle bills, and quietly change their life. And no, this is not one of those secret billionaires don't want you to know speeches. But let's be honest, some of these tools look like alien technology. The good news is, if aliens really did give us camera, at least they made them profitable. So just sit and relax with your popcorn and code Zobo, because today we are talking about how people are actually making real money with a camera. Now, before you get excited and start pricing cameras online, let me be clear. This isn't about overnight success or magical shortcuts. I'll walk you through the different ways people use their cameras to earn, what makes each one attractive, and why some of them are not as glamorous as they look on Instagram. By the end, you will know exactly which direction fits your personality and your patience level. So let's start with something we all understand very well. Food. People must eat every single day. Restaurants, cafes, food brands, delivery apps, even small roadside spots now need clean photos and short videos to sell what they are cooking. That's literally the entire job of food photography. Take appealing pictures and videos of meals you probably shouldn't be eating every day. And if someone asks what you do and you want to sound classy, you can say you are a professional food photographer. The funny part is, everything you need to learn for this is already free on YouTube. Then there's real estate. Houses are expensive. Real estate agents are making serious money every day. And despite what you think, most of them cannot produce visuals that actually sell properties. Once you understand lighting, framing, and how to move camera properly, your work will immediately stand out. The moment an agent sees your visual, they will know they can't replicate it with their phone. And if selling houses faster means hiring you, trust me, they won't argue about your fees. Now let's talk about weddings and family events. This one is not for the weak. You need to know how to make people look good with soft lighting, manage stress, and stay calm when everybody is losing their mind. Because 1 minute, everything is peaceful. Next minute, the bride is crying, the family is panicking, and the groom is nowhere to be found until he shows up late with food in his hand. So, jokes aside, if you can handle pressure and emotions, this space pays well and stays in demand. Corporate events are different vibes entirely. Conference, seminars, brand events, the kind of places where everyone is serious and dressed like they have meeting after meetings. I'll be honest, this one isn't my comfort zone at all. Suit, tie, and me don't actually get along. But if you are comfortable around corporate environments, the money here can be very solid. Just be careful who you work with. Not every company with a big logo has good character. Now, here's the important part most people skip. In the beginning, it's okay to experiment. Try different styles, shoot different things, figure out what you actually enjoy. But once you find your lane, stay there. That's how you improve faster and stand out. When clients check your page and everything looks focused, they immediately trust you. But here's the plot twist. Everything I've talked about so far involves pointing the camera away from you. The most powerful and profitable shift happens when you turn the camera around and point it at yourself. What am I talking about? Content creation. If you scroll back to my early years, you will see how awkward I was on camera. I struggled with confidence, speaking, everything. But content creation is a skill. The more you do it, the better you get. And the feedback I've received over time made me realize that people don't just watch, they connect. That's why I've decided to go deeper into the space. I recently launched a second channel focused on YouTube growth, and we recently hit 200 subscribers. You'll see the thumbnail at the end of this video. I've also put together a 7-day viral channel bootcamp where I teach how I make these videos and how to grow on YouTube. It won't be one of those faceless courses you buy and forget, because this one is a one-on-one coaching. The sport will be limited because I want it to be personal, practical, and interactive. If that sounds like something you want, then check the description and join the waiting list so you get first access when it opens. If you've watched to this point, I genuinely appreciate you. I hope this video opens your eye to what is possible with a camera and a bit of intentional effort. Whatever you do, never stop making money.